Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain few terms associated with human eye. Yesterday and day before yesterday, I have explained the structure of human eye and some parts of human eye and their function. Today, there are three terms related to the human eye. First term is accommodation of eye. It is also called power of accommodation. The ability of eye to adjust the focal length of eye lens is called accommodation of eye. Ability of eye means we are able to see nearby object as well as we are also able to see the distant object. With the same eye, we are capable to see the nearby object and distant object. This is known as accommodation of eye or power of accommodation. Yesterday I have explained this is done due to the changing focal length of eye lens. Eye lens is held by ciliary muscles. That's why by the action of ciliary muscles, the focal length of eye lens can be changed, which is helpful to see sometimes nearby object and sometimes distant object. If there is no change in the focal length of eye lens, it is not possible that same person can see nearby object and distant object. This is accommodation of eye. Now second term is near point. It is also called least distance of distinct vision. Nearest point up to which a normal eye can see an object clearly without any strain. Suppose that I have anything before my eye and I am able to see the object. This time I am not able to see the object, but when we bring the object near the eyes, at this distance we are able to see the object clearly, but when we keep it more close, the object can't be seen clearly. This is the normal eye without any strain, without any pressure. If we are able to see, we are able to read the written matter in the book or copy. That will be the near point of a person. So this is different for different person. It is also known as least distance of distinct vision, which is 25 centimeter. It is average value of near point is 25 centimeter. This is done for the various age group of the people, and it is found that this is valid for an adult. It may be more or less, but average value is 25 centimeter. Next term is far point, the farthest point up to which a normal eye can see an object clearly. Farthest point. If I am able to see something before our eyes, their maximum distance up to which we can see the object clearly without any problem, without any strain in our eyes. This is known as far point. It is infinity. We are able to read our book clearly up to 25 centimeter. So it is the nearest point, that is the near point, but we are also able to see the star in the sky, that is at infinity. So this is the far point for that person. So it may be also different for different age group people and different for different people. It is infinity. This means a normal eye can see the object clearly. This means the image of the object is formed on the retina, and the normal eye can see the object kept at infinity clearly. This means image is formed on the retina. So in both the cases, either the object will be near up to 25 centimeter or as infinity. In both the cases, is normal eye is helpful to see the object without any strain, without any problem. Clearly, this is the normal eye. If anyone asks you to draw a ray diagram of normal eye, you can see the light ray coming from infinity, that is parallel light ray, is the near point of the light ray fall on the eye lens and after refraction meet at retina. In both the case, image is formed at the retina. So this is normal eye. Normal eye means no use of glass or any other instrument. This is also known as range of vision. We are able to see from 25 centimeter to infinity. This is the range of vision for normal eye. If I am using glass on the eye, this means my eye is not normal. Without using any spectacles, any glass or any other instruments, if we are able to see nearby object clearly and distant object clearly, this is the range of vision for normal eye. Thanks, that's all.